Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Green Screen Kitchen. Folks, how you doing? I've been away traveling. Sorry I haven't been uploading as much, but hopefully that's about to get better and bigger. Guys, I've got a very, very nice recipe for you today. It seems to be originally Italian, but I've originally had this in the Middle East. So I'm going to be doing the version that I'm used to, and literally, it's amazing. It's bloody divine, right? So it's artichokes with peas. It's in a lovely sauce, and it just goes really well with rice. It's fairly easy to make as well. So folks, as always, if you like vegan food, vegetarian, plant-based, or no animals or animal products on the channel, hit the like button, hit subscribe. It will really help me, and I will love you for it as always. Let's get cooking. Folks, let's begin. I'm making this for a large family, so I've put the ingredients per portion in there so you can adjust it accordingly. Now we're going to start off by frying up our onions and our garlic. Medium flame, don't burn them. Add in your vegan chicken stock and some water because we're trying to make this a bit of a sauce from the very beginning. Cover that up. Once you can see that it's boiled down, we're then going to start adding in our artichokes. And the water just needs to ever so slightly cover them. Then after about 20-30 minutes, you're going to take one out just to see where it stands. Now you want the texture at this stage to be just a little bit tougher than al dente because it's still got a little way to go, but once it's at that stage, you're going to squeeze some lemon in there and you're going to stir that up, and we're going to add our peas in. Give it a nice stir, cover it up. You want the peas to be a bit more wilted like that. And when you can see that the water's like kind of reduced down and it's thickened up a bit, then you're going to turn it to a low flame and just let it sit. And literally within 5 minutes, it will be pretty much ready to go.
5 minutes later.
As you can see, the smell is going to be absolutely incredible all around the kitchen, and it's just going to taste wonderful. That's it. Folks, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget, check out the rest of my channel. I've actually got loads and loads of videos. They're all 100% vegan, and they will teach you recipes from all around the world, things you may never have heard of and are really interesting to try. I also bring in guest chefs from around the world as well, so they're going to be showing you the proper masterclasses. And if you did enjoy this video, folks, please do leave a tip. The subscribe button would be incredible. If you could just click on that, it would help my channel to grow. I would love to do this full time. It would be a dream of mine. And it's by doing so that you can help me get there. So thank you very much, guys. Have an amazing week. Love you all. Ciao for now.